What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go over what I got from Ulta. So I'm going to do a little mini Ulta beauty haul, and I love the pink bag in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And the money that I spent on this goes to a breast cancer foundation, so I'm really excited about that. That's why I'm just going to show you this one right off the bat. It says be your own kind of beautiful, and it's a pink spiral notebook, and it's super cute, so loving that. But let's get on with the video. I have pretty much got everything to do a full face. Yeah, crazy. But I went in there for like 2 things for an upcoming video, so be on the lookout for my next video. I went in there for a couple things, and then I was just like, ooh, let me try this and this and this. So really excited. I'm just going to start pulling things out. And I did want to try on some of this stuff that I got. Which I really want to try the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I've been seeing this literally everywhere, and I've been breaking out a lot lately. I have my moments where I'm like, have good skin, and then I have my moments where I'm like, breaking out. So, I heard this foundation is really good. This is really funny, but this was the last one there, and I think it's my shade. I didn't really see like testers or any other shades but this one, so I was like kind of looking at it and I was like, looks like it'll work, so we're gonna make this work. I definitely wanted to try this one out, so I got it. If it doesn't work, we'll play around with it, we'll make it work. I guess I'll kind of just do like a talk through video and just talk through what I got, and as I am trying on the foundation, if I can get it open. So I got some other fun little things, and I'm super excited that it's like the holiday season. You know, it's October, Halloween's coming up, there's always fun things to do, so I'm just really excited about that. Let's see, so I'm going in with my One Heck of a Blot primer because I do get greasy or oily, whatever y'all want to call it, but I do get oily. So that does help mattify my face. I'm also really excited that, so I'm in Houston, but today it was 54 degrees, and I am so excited. It's getting colder. Alright, so I love this applicator, how it has this wand. I hope the shade's not too dark. I can't really tell. It might be too dark. But I love how it has like this doe foot applicator. It is literally the best. Like, it reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape, the Neutrogena. I love the doe foot applicator. I'm not going to put on very much because I don't know if it's my color. It kind of looks like it's going to go with my skin. I was afraid it was going to be too dark. So I'm just applying this. It has a really like lotiony smell. I'm applying this with a Wet n Wild flat top brush. These brushes don't have names, so I thought that it wasn't gonna match me, and I look white, so I can definitely use my tinted powder, because I'm looking pretty ghostly right now. So much for it being maybe a little too dark. It is white on my skin. I hope it oxidizes a little bit because this is white. Oh my gosh. And I feel like the camera makes it look so much worse. I'm definitely going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Loose face powder. I like how it really did cover everything. I feel like it's kind of slowly starting to match my skin, but it's still looking very white. Makes me a little nervous. So I'm just putting on some concealer, and I'm not going to conceal my forehead because it's already white. Yeah, so I'm definitely not going to conceal my forehead because this foundation's pretty white already. In the packaging, it really doesn't look as white. Like, it has like an ashy like tone to it from the bottle, but that could just be the glossiness of the bottle. But I definitely didn't think it was going to be this light. Y'all, I'm so excited I get to wear sweaters. I have my sweater on today and some like fuzzy leggings. So exciting. Okay, so what I'm going to do to set the under eyes is use my Airspun Loose Face Powder, which is like my all-time favorite right now. So, update on work. Y'all know how I've been working night shifts. I'm going to switch to days, and I'm really excited because night shifts it's okay, but my body doesn't, I don't know. You try and be awake during the day and also have to be awake at night because of work, and it's just a lot. So a spot became available so I can work day shifts. I'm really excited. I won't be able to film like how I did my night shift one just because daytime it's really busy and really hectic. So I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me in 15 Light. There we go. To give my face a little bit of color again. So I've been trying to think of what I should dress my dog up for Halloween. And I'm not too sure. Y'all should give me any ideas if y'all think of any. My dog, let me give you a little background. She is in almost 90 pounds, or maybe she is 90 pounds. She's a German Shepherd, but she is literally the cutest thing ever. And she thinks she's 5 pounds. So if you got a cute video idea for that, let me know. I'm going to put my brows on and the rest of my face makeup. And then I'll be back because the other stuff I got is for the eyes. So I'll do this off camera real quick. Alright, I'm back. I have the rest of my face done. I will link all the products down below. I feel like adding the face makeup and letting the foundation kind of sit on my face for a little bit, it really now blends in and looks so much better than whenever I was applying it. But that was the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and this is in the shade F6. So maybe I'll find another shade. It was only $12, so really not that bad for a foundation. It's 0.8 fluid ounces, so typically they are 1 fluid ounce, but this is a little bit smaller. It's cruelty free and vegan, so that's a plus. So some of the other stuff I got, I'm not going to apply this right now because I'll be applying it in my next video that you guys will see, but I got a NYX cream pigment. It's foil play. This is in the shade Booming, and it's just a loose eyeshadow pigment. I'm really excited for you guys to see what I do with that. And then, so the next thing I got, just because it was super cute, it kind of reminds me, definitely think that they're trying to base this off of the chocolate bar palette, but I got the Makeup Revolution version of it just because this is so freaking cute. It is the chocolate elixir. Whenever I was looking at the different ones, this one said like rose or something like that, but of course now I don't see the like name of it or the color, but it was something rose. Anyways, it has this really pretty like chocolate bar-y but gold, I don't know, it's so pretty, so it definitely caught my eye. So this is what is inside. These are literally the prettiest. Oh, comes with one of those little spongy things. I don't know. But these colors are so pretty. This one was $15, so definitely not bad for how many shades you get. There's 16 eyeshadows, and it has this huge mirror. So this is literally, I'm so excited for this. So I did put my NYX Full Coverage Concealer on my eyelids already, and I set that with the natural shade from my Too Faced Natural Eyes palette, just because I hadn't opened this yet. So it has a little plastic on here, so you can keep up with the names of the shadows. So I'm just going to go based off of that. The first shadow right here, I'm just going to use, or I did just put it on my eyes. It's called Coconut. So I put that one on. I'm just going to do a very neutral look. So right now I'm putting on Latte, which is this shade right over here. It's got really like pinks, but also like, I feel like this is like a fall palette, but with some pinks. Like, it's really pretty. But yes, I'm definitely doing a neutral look, so I'm just going to do Latte on the other eye. But yeah, like I was saying earlier, I'm switching to day shifts, which I'm really excited just because I feel like I'm going to be awake when my family and my boyfriend are awake, you know, and not trying to sleep when they want to hang out, or I feel like I'll be more available. So I'm really excited for that. I'm also taking a math class. I'm taking 2 just to bring those B's up to A's for the RN program. So I am working full time, taking those 2 classes. One's online and one's in class. So it's really not too bad. And then I am getting ready for RN. I think now that I'm working as an LVN, I'm just so excited for the RN program. Like, I'm ready. I'm ready to be back in school and just finish it off. So that last color I put on my eyes was Creme Brulee, and it was this one right here. And now I'm going to just finish it off with some liner and lashes, and I will put those on, be right back to show you the rest of the products I got. Alright, I'm back. So I decided not to put eyeliner on. I just put my favorite lashes, which are the Salon Perfect Demi Wispies. I put those on just real quick so I can finish showing you what I got. Okay, so I do want to give you guys some swatches of the palette real quick. I have them on my arm. Let me get you guys close. It's really hard to see these lighter ones over here, but I started with the top of the palette, worked my way down. This was with a 1 swipe on majority of them. They are very pigmented. They're very creamy. I'm actually really loving how it came out. So I will show you again the products and the swatches. And I feel like for a $15 palette, having those 2 big neutral shadows, and then there's some really pretty ones like the Creme Brulee and the Sugar, which is these 2 right here, the shimmery ones. These are so pretty. You could even use them as a highlight. Like, literally, those are so pretty. So this Makeup Revolution palette, definitely recommend. So the next thing I got is just another eyelash glue, and this is the Kiss Adhesive with Aloe. I absolutely love this one. This is the one that I've always used. I just needed another one, so I got this one. And then I got I got 2 white eyeliner pencils. One that's actually a pencil. This is from NYX. They're actually both from NYX. Then I got the other one, which is a liquid white, and you'll be seeing why I got these in the upcoming video. Super excited for you guys to see. And then I thought this was just super fun. This is from Essence, and it's a sparkling body dust, and it says "Believe in Magic," and it has a little unicorn on it. Like, this is the cutest little thing ever. So I don't know when I'll use it, how often, but definitely for Halloween coming up, maybe I'll spray my face or spray right here my collarbone just to give it extra little shimmer. But that is so pretty, so I was really excited to get that. And then the body spray, that was $4.99. The foundation was $12, which I was really surprised. I thought it was $15, but it was $12. The liquid eyeliner was $6.99. The pencil was $3.49. The glue is $4.99. The palette was $15, like I said. And then the, what else did I get? Oh, and this was $7.49. They are also having the buy one get one free for NYX, which I'm surprised I got 3 things. I should have gotten 4, you know, to get the, I mean, buy one get one half off, I'm sorry. But I'm surprised I got 3 things. I should have just gotten the 4th to get 50% off. But I'm super excited with all of the things I got. This I'm so excited to start playing with, especially that it's like fall. It's definitely going to be a fun one. And then this foundation, now that it's been sitting there for a little bit and I have all the rest of my base makeup on, you can definitely see that it's more natural, and it's a really pretty foundation. It covers up my acne real well, and that was one application. Granted, I did put quite a bit on, but I'm really liking the way the foundation turned out. I've been seeing so many people rave about this and so many people getting it, so I've definitely had to try it out for myself, so I'm super excited. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe over there. And let me see what y'all get from Ulta or anywhere. I want to see your new makeup products, your Halloween makeup tutorials. So definitely leave me a comment and I'll go check you guys out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. I created this Halloween look today and I had a lot of fun doing it. So if you're curious to